So in this video, you'll learn how to take a scrolling screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy A56. So the first step is to take a normal screenshot. So whether you're choosing to use the palm swipe gesture, using the buttons, or even the shortcut in the quick settings panel, just use any of these options in order for you to take a screenshot. So once you learn how to take that regular screenshot, open up the web page or wherever it is that you're taking your scrolling screenshot. So for this example, I'll be using the Google Play Store. And you want to ensure that everything you want to capture in your screenshot has loaded on that specific web page. Once you've confirmed everything has loaded, now start by taking the screenshot. And then from here, you want to look for this scrolling screenshot icon on the toolbar that appears after you take your screenshot. So again, take the screenshot, look for that icon and tap on it once. Once you tap on it once, it will take a few seconds for it to load an extra part of the screenshot. So just keep tapping on it until you've ensured you've captured everything you want in your scrolling screenshot. You'll see the screenshot thumbnail increasing in length as you keep adding to it more and more. And then when you're happy with what you've captured for your scrolling screenshot, you can just exit that menu. And now, if you ever want to find the screenshot, just go to the Gallery app, and then you should see it listed right there. So here you have it, your scrolling screenshot on your A56. If you have any questions or comments about taking a scrolling screenshot, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.